How to download and install Need for Speed Heat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in Steam Download. Now in order to download your other app, first of all you have to download Steam application in your PC. To do that, click on Install Steam. And once you have downloaded Steam in your PC, it will look something like this. Open your Steam app. Create yourself an Steam account if you have not already. And at the search bar, type in the app name that you would like to download. In my case, that is Need for Speed Heat. Once done, click on to enter. You will see this application right here. Click onto it to download it. Scroll below. And here, click on Add to Cart. And lastly, enter your card detail and click on Continue to Payment. Just like so, this is how you can download Need for Speed Heat app in your PC. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.